It's time for a contest. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. This is going to be my entry into the Summer's Birdhouse Contest for 2020. And I'll keep you informed as I go along. Here's the progress so far. I've got all my wood milled. I've got it glued together. I've got the pattern on it. And now I'm going to cut the pattern out. I have two pieces sticky taped together. One's the front, one's the back. That way it'll ensure that they're the same size. So right now I'm going to cut my pattern out. Most of the birds that I want to attract require an 1¼ inch entrance hole. So what I did is I went over to the drill press and I put an 1¼ inch Forstner bit into my drill press, and I drilled the entrance holes before I did any work on the back. That way I could support it on both sides and get a nice clean hole. So now I can go and start building the framework around it. We're making some real progress here. I'm building the border around. When I get that all around and fitted, then I'll fit the back to it, and the back will be removable. Right now I'm finishing up building the border. When I get done with that, then I'll put the separators in to separate the different sections of the birdhouse. So as I make more progress, I'll show you where I'm at. Well, you can see all of the inside separators are in. Now I just have to fit the back. The project is all done except for paint. And that's going to be the next step. Of course, it's got to be painted U of M blue. Have the back on. The back is removable. There's 5 stainless steel screws, and the whole back comes off so you can get in to clean it out. And that's what it looks like. So we'll give it a coat of paint and see what the final job looks like. This is my entry into the 2020 Summer's Woodworking Birdhouse Challenge. Well, thanks for watching. I sure appreciate it. As I said, this is my entry into the Summer's Woodworking 2020 Birdhouse Contest. And it's been a fun build. I really enjoyed it. And thank you, Brian, for sponsoring this contest.